This is your CalCloud Management Dashboard. The Management Dashboard displays high-level information to quickly assess program compliance, to support audit preparation and readiness, management questions, and other related requests. The Asset Action boxes located at the top of the page provide pre-filtered asset information with drill-down capability for active, inactive, assets due within the next 30 days, and overdue assets. You can move your cursor over the desired asset action box and to drill down for additional asset detail. On this page, we can see that the filter has been automatically adjusted based on your selection from the dashboard. The asset health chart represents the current state of your active assets for program compliancy. In-process assets are represented in blue. All current assets within calibration are represented in green. Assets due within 30 days are represented in yellow, and all overdue assets are represented in red. If you hover your cursor over each status, it will segregate that individual status for a quick reference visual of the associated information. A color-coded legend is located under the Asset Health chart. To the right, you'll see the Historical Services Complete graph, displaying the trailing 12 months for assets supported by SCI. A color-coded legend is conveniently located at the bottom of the chart to designate which assets were serviced in lab, on-site or a field service, or sent out of lab to an approved vendor. Below you'll find the out-of-tolerance graph. The out-of-tolerance graph displays by month the trailing 12 months for assets that arrived at SCI in tolerance with no adjustment needed, out of tolerance and were adjusted into tolerance, and assets that arrived out of tolerance and were returned to you out of tolerance. A color-coded legend is provided below the chart. Lastly, we'll review recalls. This table provides a pre-filtered link to all assets due within 30 days and overdue. Clicking on See All Recalls will redirect you to the Recalls tab, which will be highlighted in red. You can also quickly view these assets by page while on the recall table within the dashboard. From this table, you can click on the asset ID to view the details of the selected asset. You'll notice that the Assets tab is highlighted in red, indicating that you've been redirected to that page. Thank you for watching.